Trees are great, except when you park your car underneath them and you get sap that drops onto the painted surface of your car. Now normally sap would be water soluble, which means that it would come off with just soapy water, but that's only when it's fresh. But when it's been on there for weeks or maybe months, like in this case, it's a whole different ball game. I'll be using WD-40 along with a microfiber towel and a popsicle stick. Now WD-40 is good for a lot of things, but I bet you didn't know that you could use it just to get sap off. So basically, just going to put a bunch of this on there, and you're going to let that sit on there for about 5 or 10 minutes so that the WD-40 is absorbed into the sap molecules. So I left that on there for a good 15 minutes. I know I said 5 to 10, but you know, this is a stubborn one. So now after I put that on there, I just take my popsicle stick and I rub that so it just emulsified it enough. And you can see that just on that popsicle stick there, that it's coming off pretty well. Now the popsicle stick, of course, is wood, and so wood is just soft enough to do the job, but not scratch the paint or the clear coat. So let's see how we're doing there. It's almost all the way off of there. I got a little bit more right there. Now after I do this, of course, I'm going to be taking some polishing compound and taking any superficial scratches that came up with the popsicle stick out, and that'll be pretty easy. But you can see right there how much better that is. Now I'm going to take my polishing compound, dab it in there a little bit, and do the final polishing on this. So then you just take your microfiber towel, polish that out, and you can see there is not a trace of that to be found. That was on there very thick and it was hard as a rock. So WD-40 is your friend, and everybody has a popsicle stick sitting around their house somewhere. I'm Greg, your car angel. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a like. I appreciate that. I'll see you in the next video.